How is everyone doing today? Hey, how's it going? I need to share with you something that made my life a little bit easier. And honestly, I believe you need this if you have any type of a gasoline powered engine in your backyard or RV or generator or anything. Anything that runs on fuel, and probably a lot of us have something. Let me show you something. So this, it's a fuel transfer pump from a company named Steauty. I hope I'm saying it right. And I love it. And I'll tell you a few things that I love about it. It's slightly above $100, which is not expensive at all. And one of the best parts is, there we go, 36 months free pump body. So if anything happens in a period of 3 years, they will take care of you. But what I also love, in comparison with big and chunky one that I have, is this one is compact. Everything fits in the case. It's very simple. No any installations are needed. So let me quickly guide you through. Of course, we have a wire for 12 volt. This adapter plugs in your vehicle into the cigarette lighter port. I mean, almost every vehicle has it, so that's easy to find. But if not, well, you have this piece that goes into two wires, positive and negatives. This just hook it on any battery. At the moment for the presentation, I used this little adapter and the battery. But usually you can easily hook it up to a car battery. It has a long wire, and then it has another long wire for the switch, which is great because you don't have to be near the pump. One second, there we go. You don't have to be near the pump, neither near these wires to be able to operate this. So you have here switch 0, 1. You have here switch on 0, 1. So both of them at the moment will be set it up on 0. And then here you go. This is just a little plug. So you don't have to do no installations. We're gonna plug that in. There we go. That's plugged. You don't have to do no installation. Plug it into the carport. It'll blink red when it's on. Or hook it up to the battery. And there you go. You're already ready to go. You have in and out. That's simple. Hoses are long. And now I'll show you a presentation. This is a 5-gallon bucket. And we'll put a stopwatch and see how fast will it fill up the 5 gallons. Now, one thing to mention is this is a fuel transfer pump. The liquid that we'll be transferring today, it's noticeably thicker used motor oil. So of course that will go a little bit slower, but we will still use it for the presentation, and definitely it will be faster with gasoline or standard diesel because that is noticeably thinner. I also like that on an inlet hose you have this little strainer to not pull in some junks. You also get another strainer, a gasket, stuff like that. What I do like genuinely is the hose material. So it's bendable, okay, easy to bend, but it doesn't stay that way. This hose definitely much more practical. So let me show you. Here we have a drum. We have, I think, at least 10 gallons inside. So we're gonna throw this in. There we go. That was without a problem. We have the bucket right here. We already plugged it in. We see the little red light. Okay. Well, we're gonna press 1 here. So, okay, let's wait for 5:53. Okay, 53 started. We started the pump. Pump is cooling. There we go. We in the business. Regular gasoline or diesel, it would transfer in less than 5 minutes. 5 gallons, so gallon per minute pretty much. There you go. That's about 5 gallons. And just for the end, so we're almost done with transferring those 5 gallons back in the drum. Again, it's thicker, it's oil, but it's still going very smooth and fast. And I'll scan the temperature of the pump. So we are on 112. So of course it got a little bit warmer at the beginning, but it's not hot at all. So we started like it was like maybe 97, now it's 112, whatever. So it got into the working temperature. Oh, we out. Okay, we're done. Turn off, and there we go. You easily transfer the fluid. Pretty clean setup, no installation. So to be honest, personally, I loved it. I don't think that for $120, or they have a couple of different ones for different prices for different applications. But anyway, for that price, I don't think you can beat it. So definitely recommend you one fuel pump from Steauty brand. You saw it, you saw that it worked, and you saw it from a guy that is dealing with those things. So don't take my word. Try it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.